how to add another user on Windows 11. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add another user for your Windows 11 PC. Now, to do so, just go into your Windows search and then type in Control Panel. Access this. And then once you get here, by default, it is actually set by category. So all I have to do is click on category and then change it into large icons. Scroll down and choose on user accounts. And from here, choose on manage another account. And then choose on add a new user in PC settings. Now, once you access this, you will have an option to either add this as a family member or add someone else to this PC. Now, if you're going to be choosing either of those two, you're just going to have to follow on-screen prompts, and then you can decide whether that specific person you're adding can be connected into a Microsoft account or so, and that's basically it. That's how you add another user for your Windows 11.